Hey everybody, Dr. Kick, and today I got my face cam on and I'm playing Subway Surf, so it's really kind of good. And my friend Torchy Pro 3 is gonna watch me play. Well, and also, I'm just sitting on my trampoline recording a video. So, I won. What did he win on? My friends are just playing games. I'm on my phone. I really want to get views like my last one got today. Yeah, it was amazing. In 4 minutes, he got 22 views. 4 now. That's 24 now. At least I think I did. Oh, you guys remember our Shadow Week? And remember, if you don't guess the right one, if you don't get it right on Shadow Week, then I will just give all the people. What's that song? It's a game. Oh. The battle card. So, and if you guys don't guess it right on Shadow Week, I will just give you a shout out if you subscribe to me. And make sure that you put subscriptions public so I will know that you subscribe to me. And if you do, sorry about the advertisement, but if you do subscribe to me, I might subscribe back. So you'll get lucky if I subscribe back to you. You can tell I'm outside because of the background on the face cam. Actually, how long has that? 1 minute is all it's been.
Then I'll be attacked, divide, because you put your cat and you
okay. I got 2 keys now. Good job, I got 2 keys. So good job for me. Okay, 2 keys. And you guys, I can tell you guys enjoyed my video of Subway Surfer's last video. And okay, I knew that would happen. I can't believe it, man. And remember, don't mind the background noises. My friends are playing with each other and talking. And also, I'm at my grandma's house and they're doing work, so. Yeah, you're doing work. Whatever kind. I don't know what kind you're doing. Oh, I just died. Kind of weird, that sound. Okay. Hey, Dogman50, say hi. Dogman, come over here. You can be in the face cam for a second. Okay, whatever. Oh, Torchy Pro 3, I can tell he wants to win. Totally. Oh yeah, and if you do want this app, if you do want to be able to screen record and get subscribers and views and stuff, and if you want face cam and stuff, get the DU screen recorder. I guarantee it. Get the DU screen recorder, and it's just the best, man. I've never had any recorder that is better than DU screen recorder. And besides,
he was not paid to say this.
I'm not paid to say this. Like literally, some YouTubers are paid to like show off other companies and stuff, but I'm not. I'm just telling you how good it is because I'm surprised that I can actually get good videos, and because literally I want a good channel and I want good videos that you guys will like. So if you guys want videos that other people will like on your channel and get subscribers, yeah, if you have one,
make sure to check out the video how to make a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'll go to my other video, how to make a YouTube channel, and so just remember about that. So, okay, sorry about that. I accidentally paused it, and so yeah. So, okay, I want to tell you something now. So, now, I will pause it, and I'll tell you guys later in a second what I'm doing. Okay, guys, I was just telling you I'm gonna, end the video, so I'll see you guys next time.